and I still like it. Oh yeah, there's no place to hunt. Hey, hey guys, it's good old me, Bill G. I have finally got to my website channel thing. I got my channel completely updated. All my videos up to this day right now, and this one's going to be up here in probably about an hour. They're all in there now. You can watch all of them. Yep. Today is going to be a simple. Oh, hey all, welcome back to yet another exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. That's me. I'm BLG, and I'm Lefty. And as usual, damn, you look good today. Nice, nice, all snappy. Good. I'm ready. Sit back, folks. This is going to be a quick one, painless, simple. Now, for my bar snacks, once in a long while, I like chicken hearts and gizzards. I couldn't; they were out of hearts at the store last time I went. So I got some gizzards, about a half a pound of them, and I'm saving you the hassle. I trim out the little gristly parts that are in between them, so that they're just kind of gizzardy looking. Let me show you a little piece here. See, it just turns them into a little gizzardy looking piece. I'm dripping shit all over my keyboard. Cool. But anyways, I trimmed them up. It took, oh, I don't know, maybe 6 minutes or so for a half a pound of them. Trimmed all the gristle off. Easy. I put them in this here little Ziploc bag with the little thingies because of my fucked up hands. Like that. And what I did in here in the marinade, I put some soy sauce, enough to kind of 3/4 cover them. And I put some garlic powder. Yes. And you put some, the hell is it? I don't know. Ginger powder. And a little bit of lemon juice. Tenderizes them. Okay, so anyways, marinated these for, they've been in the fridge about an hour and a half. Now, here's the easy part. This is where it gets to be painless. I'm going to move you over here to the skillet. Yeah, we're going to fire up the stove top again. Ooh, that's a good shot. We'll put these in the skillet, y'all. First, I'm going to turn it on. Can't cook if you ain't got it turned on. Woof. And I'm going to go with about maybe 6.5 on this. 6.5. Medium high. Kind of. Medium high. 6.5 out of like 10 or so. And juice and all. Marinate and all. Everything. Right in the old skillet toda. Oh, get in there, you little bastard. Just like that. Toss that away. Now the groovy thing here, folks, hi. Don't get too close to the fire, BLG. I've done that before. I had the great too drunk to light the charcoal grill, my smoker, back in the day, and I got too close with the beard. It used to come way down here, like way down here on my stomach, and it went poof. And you never seen a drunk fat guy. Well, I wasn't fat back then. I was skinny. I weighed like 170 pounds. But it caught on fire, and it started going up, you know. And I'm out in the street, karate chopping myself in the throat to put the fire out. It stopped right about here. I had to cut it back to. And all these years, because I'm old now, it's only grown this far. Oh, poor BLG. Anyways, yeah, that's that little story. It's pretty good. But these, I'm just going to stir them with a wooden spoon, and they'll turn a nice caramelize. I'm going to let them caramelize. I'm using a non-stick pan. No stick pan, please, or you'll screw up Mama's favorite skillet. So I'm using an old no-stick. No butter, no oil, just what we had in the bag. See, they're starting to scissor now. Wooden spoon. Don't want to use metal and non-stick. You know that already. You've already learned to cook good enough like that. Like that. Now, I'm going to kick this up. I'm going to kick the oven up to 8. I want this done, and I want it done. No. Where are you? No. So I want to stir this around. All this is going to reduce down into a basic big pan of oriental flavored chicken gizzardy smut. And yes, you're going to have some black stuff stick in your no-stick pan, but that'll scrub out fairly easy with one of those little green kitchen scrubber things. Not really aggressive kitchen scrubber thing, just kitchen scrubber thingy. But I'm going to pause now because these are going to take a little while. I'm going to let these get up to smutness and I'll show you what they look like, baby. Because this is just like wasting your time and stuff. I'll be right back. We'll be right back when this is going at a good rate. Okay, now we're starting to get there, folks. It's starting to get... See if I can show you. I think I can, actually. See how it's getting kind of smutty, sticky, caramely looking? And the little black stuff starting to form in the pan there? That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to cook the shit out of these down like this. I don't want all the juice and sauce to be gone. These are getting close. See how they're getting a little bit darker colored too? These gizzard pieces. Chicken gizzards. You can do this with turkey gizzards too. Any gizzards. If you hunt pheasants or ducks or anything like that. Anything with a gizzard in it. Yep. You can do the same thing with any gizzards. And hearts do the same thing. I do the same thing with hearts. Awesome. Good bar snack, folks. Gonna just have a bunch of them with some rice and like peas or something too for like a supper. You can do that. Oh, now we're getting there. See, this is what I'm talking about. Now you can really see it. I'll show you. See how the sauce is cooked out of there? Let me see. Like, tilt you. See how that sauce is all cooked up out of there and sucked into them gizzards? Folks, that's the sign that these things are done. Taking them off. I'm going to put them on a paper plate right till count. Get you a good shot of this. Right here on a paper plate. BLG. Going to eat late. It's almost beer time. Beer light's just about to come on, folks. Hell yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck, where are you? Fuck yeah. Oh, did he tell you I'm righty? Did I tell you that? I'm righty. Ain't I cute? Watch. Flipping my hair around. Look at that sexy hand. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm not screwing around, BLG. You're wasting time. Okay, here we go, folks. Let's see what we got on a papage plate here. See if I can get where I get a little bit of light. I don't have all my lights on. Sorry. And it's rainy and dark. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. There you have it, folks. Chicken gizzards, baby. Yes. All the grease and stuff cut out. That is what you want, folks. That is what you want in your belly. So anyways, like I said, short episode. This is a brand new. The date that it says that it's going to be published today is true. I made this video, well, you wouldn't know when today is. You can look at the date published. This is the first one from all my other ones that I finally figured out how to get a channel up and running. Love the channel, like the channel. Please, somebody, for the love of God, make a comment. I don't know why. I don't have anybody. Just say like a testing, 1, 2, or something. Nobody comments. I've got roughly 30 videos out. Just make a comment on this one, and I'll look for a comment. I'm trying to make sure that it even works. Just say hi. I don't care if you don't have anything to say. Just say hi or hello or, I don't know, jump off a bridge. I don't care. Just say something. So anyways, for Hands On with BLG and the gizzardy goodness. Damn it, I should have labeled it. I might do that. No, I'm not. I'm not going to title it that. Anyways, for Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. The guy under the hat right here. I like doing that with my eyes. My eyes are kind of squinty. Have you noticed that? I got kind of squinty eyes. Look at these beady fuckers. Isn't that cool? I think they've always been squinty. I'm not sure. I never paid much attention. Anyways, like I said, I'm BLG. And I'm Lefty. Good to see you again, folks. Good to see you. And I'm Righty. Thank you. Thank you. Hitting them subscriber buttons and stuff. And somebody Leave a comment. Tell them that Righty's cute. Yes, I'll appreciate that. Righty is cute. Anyways, we'll see you guys right back here in the next brand new episode. Hands on with BLG. Love ya. Bye.